Welcome to Richmond Hill Fireworks Vendor Safety Video. Today we're going to be covering the storage, display, and sale of fireworks. To ensure we cover all the categories, we're going to be using our vendor fireworks sales and display checklist. We're going to go through it point by point and make sure we cover all the topics. To begin, we'll go through on-site storage. What you see in front of you is one pallet of fireworks. This pallet is actually 1,000 kilograms, and that is the maximum amount of fireworks you're allowed to have on site at any time. The weight of each individual firework is required to be noted on the side of the box. Here's a sample. While 1,000 kilograms represents the maximum, there are a few unique situations that relate to storage that we want to go through now. For one, you cannot store fireworks in a vehicle of any kind. Additionally, if your storage facility contains a dwelling unit, the 1,000 kilogram maximum becomes 100 kilograms. Those are the basics that relate to storage of fireworks in your facility. Now we're going to move on to the next category: display. There are a variety of ways you can display fireworks. Here are some samples. Multiple fireworks contained in approved packaging, such as these cardboard boxes, can be on display to the public. However, if those fireworks were individually separated on display, that would not be acceptable. Fireworks that are on display must be separated into 25 kilogram lots, spaced apart or separated by a non-combustible partition, such as this wood siding or steel. That covers how you can display fireworks and have them available to the public, and how the displays have to be separated from each other. Since individually packaged fireworks cannot be on display and accessible to the public, they have to be located in an inaccessible location. One example of that is behind a counter that you see here, where they can only be reached by employees, or they can be located behind a lockable glass cabinet. The next item we're going to cover is that the storage and display of fireworks need to be separated from ceilings and fire prevention equipment by 0.6 meters. Some examples of fire prevention equipment would be manual pull stations, most likely located at the exits, bells, horns, and strobes, as well as the sprinkler system, which would be located at the ceiling level. Now we're going to go through some of the extra general requirements for the display and sale of fireworks. To begin, smoking is prohibited, and a no smoking sign needs to be posted. They must be kept 100 meters away from above ground storage tanks, stored 8 meters away from any flammable combustible liquids, cannot be stored in direct sunlight, and must be kept 3 meters away from vehicle parking areas. That covers the general information listed on our vendor work fireworks sales and display checklist. Now we'll move on to the final category: fireworks sales. Here we have a sample of a fireworks vendor permit. This is the permit that's issued at the end of the process when you pass an inspection, and covers some fire safety information, who the permit's been issued to, and when it expires. This permit is required to be posted in a conspicuous location that lets customers know that this building has passed a fire safety inspection and is certified to sell fireworks. This is an instruction sheet on the safe use of fireworks. It's required to be provided to purchasers whenever they obtain fireworks from the location. A hard copy or electronic copy via QR code may be provided to the customer upon sale. Additionally, fireworks cannot be sold to anybody younger than 18 years old. A sign is also required to be conspicuously posted. Consumer fireworks can be sold on Canada Day and the 7 days beforehand, as well as Victoria Day and the 7 days beforehand. That covers all items on our vendor fireworks sales and display checklist. Thanks for watching our video today. Special thanks to Victory Fireworks for all their assistance. While this video is a brief tutorial, please visit National Resources Canada for more information on fireworks sales, display, and safety.